Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to buy or sell Hype tokens on the Hyperliquid platform. First, let's go to hyperliquid.xyz. It is the official website of this platform. Here, you need to click Launch App and Continue. We are redirected to Hyperliquid trading platform. First, let's transfer funds to spot account. Here, put the amount and click Confirm. Confirm signature on your MetaMask. Now, let's find Hype pair on spot. First, click on the symbol you currently have on your screen. In my example, it is BTC pair. Here, click on the spot option in the menu. Now, Hype should be first on the list. Remember to click on Hype to USDC pair with spot sign if you want to buy or sell it on spot trading pair. Here on the right side, you have the option to buy it with limit or market option. If you want to buy with limit, put the price you like and use the slider to choose how much funds you want to use on this order. After you are ready, click Place Order. If you are like me and don't want to wait for order to fill, go with market option. Here we just use the slider, and after we click Place Order, we will buy Hype tokens automatically from existing orders in the order book. You can check your Hype balance down in the Balances section on this page. Now, if you want to sell your Hype tokens, click on the Sell button, which is next to the green Buy one. Here, just like before, you have the limit option and the market one. These orders work in the same way, but here, you will be selling instead of buying. After you have filled what's needed, click Place Order. I'm not going to do that as I will be exploring Hyper EVM ecosystem in the near future. And that's all. Now you are ready to explore the Hyper EVM ecosystem. If you want to get discount on trading fees, check the link in the description. So, that's the end of this video. Now, if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.